Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to what has to be day number 2. Yes, day number 2. Day number 2, week 17, spring 2025 of our journey together. Day number 2, week 17, spring 2025 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight. It's certainly a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. All right, my name is Mr. Petit. Mr. Petit. Today is Tuesday already. Wow, Tuesday the 29th of April. Where is my mayor? Where's my mayor? My mayor? Mayor Daniela. Where is she?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing today?
I'm good.
Do you have anything to say to your townsfolk?
Not really.
Not really? Okay. Assistant mayor. Where's the assistant mayor?
Daniela actually spoke to us. I'm honored.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing quite fabulous today.
Excellent. You have anything to say to your townsfolk?
I'm still waiting for my cookies.
Still waiting. All right, the assistant mayor is waiting on our town cookies, people.
Marlon, you're gonna get your cookies next year.
Next year, can't do
No,
it.
if Marlon, if you get a good grade on
Her
Glat,
name is not Madeline. Her name is assistant mayor.
Actually, assistant mayor will get her cookies in the next 12 and a half decades.
Wow.
assistant mayor, you will get your cookie if you do good on Glat.
Assistant mayor, she will
Yeah.
not tolerate that. No.
They could fire you out of this class, you
I
know.
know, right? Exactly. She could eliminate you. Today we're gonna be looking at prime factorization. Where's the former queen, the old one from long time ago? From long time.
Wow.
All queens are
12 and a half decades ago.
Wow.
Yes, from long.
That was not that long
20
ago.
decades.
She's been queen for a long time, which is a good thing. That means she's a good queen and she knows how to keep her spot.
From a long time.
Till Maya came in.
Where's Maya? All right, the topic today is prime factorization. Prime factorization. Okay, prime factorization. Anyone familiar with prime factorization? Have done it before? Prime factorization.
I think I might have.
Okay,
Yes, sir, I think.
think? What do you know about prime factorization?
I know what prime numbers are.
Okay, good. Prime numbers is a good start.
Even numbers?
No, not even numbers.
Yeah, I don't know.
So like prime numbers are like numbers that go into itself on 1.
Very good.
1.
So let's go ahead and define it. So we say a prime number is a number that has 2 factors. Okay. So a prime number, write this down for me, is a number that has only 2 factors, one in itself.
Excuse me, Liberty, your screen froze.
Oh. How about now?
Just so I can see it.
Good. So a prime number is a number that has exactly 2 factors, one in itself. For example, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. Joel, you have to be writing your notes. You're not writing your notes, Joel. So the prime factors. So the prime. Hello, Madam Queen. How you doing? On this
That's Seth.
Oh shoot. Sorry. I thought that was. Sorry, Seth. I thought that was Madeline. I mean Maya.
Oh wow.
That does sound like her.
It does sound like, yeah, it does. Wow, sorry, very sorry, Seth. That's not intentional. Trinity, how are you doing today, Trinity?
Good.
Good, that's it? Just good? All right, read the definition of prime numbers, Trinity. Trinity, go ahead and read the definition of a prime number.
The definition of a prime number. A prime number is a number that has exactly two factors, one and the number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on are prime numbers.
Very good. So we say that they are prime numbers, and we say that they are prime numbers to differentiate it from composite numbers, because composite numbers are going to be the opposite of prime. They are going to be the numbers that have more than two factors. So for example, if we look at 2, the number 2.
I know what's a composite number.
You know the composite number? What's a composite number?
Composite number is any number that has more than two factors, which is basically one in itself and another factor.
Very good. Excellent. Very good. It has more than two factors. So for example, 2, right? 2 is a prime number. What are the factors of 2? Just 1 and
1.
1 and 2.
1 and 2. There are no other numbers that could go into 2. Same thing with 3. 3 is also a prime number. Why? Because what are the factors of 3?
1 and 3.
1 and 3, right? Similarly, we have 5, right? What are the factors of 5?
1 and 5.
1 and 5, very good. The factors of 5 is going to be 1 and 5.
If you start to talk fractions, then I mean,
One.
because I have a Bible study tomorrow. 2.
And then you have, and then you have
But see, I believe our teachers taught us this today, like like 30 and like an hour ago.
okay. And you have 7. 7 is the prime number because you only have two factors. 1 and
7.
1 and
You want
7.
us to write
I have a question, Mr.
you want us to write that?
No, don't write that down. I'm just giving you examples. So same thing with 11. Same thing with 13, right? Same thing with 17. They only have two factors, 1 and itself, right? Composite numbers are different, right? Composite numbers have more than two factors. Give me an example of a, give me an example of a composite number.
6,
4, 8,
6.
Okay, let's use 4.
1 is
What are the
16.
factors of 4?
the number 1? 1, 2, and 4.
1, 2, and 4. How many factors does 4 have?
3.
3.
3 factors. So once it's more than, more than 2 factors, is a composite number. The same thing with
6.
same thing with 6, right? 6 is a composite number. What are the factors
16.
of 6?
1, 2,
1,
3, 6.
Very good. 1, 2,
3, 6.
3, and 6.
6.
Right, those are gonna be the factors of 6, and so it's more than 2. Now someone said that 1 is a composite number. I think that was Joel. Joel is 1 a composite number.
I was asking.
Is oxen?
That's all.
Oxen. Class, is 1 a composite number?
No, sir.
No, sir.
no, sir.
It's only go into itself.
No, sir.
Why you say 1 is not a composite number?
Because
Because
it
it
can
only
go
has
into
2
itself.
factors.
It only has 2 factors, 1 in itself.
I mean 1 factor. Yeah,
Only
1
has
in
1
itself.
factor, 1 in
It's
itself.
Definitely both
1.
itself. It's
1?
both itself.
Just 1.
Just 1?
Yes, sir.
Just 1?
I think.
I don't like how
Okay.
your tone is right now.
I don't know. I don't know what my tone is.
When you're doing this, I'm so confused.
Why
I don't
not?
know. I don't know.
Yes, sir. Only 1.
What is 1? 1 is 1 a prime number or composite number?
Prime.
I think it's none.
I think it's none. Is 1 prime or
A
composite?
prime number is a number that has
1 is not a prime number.
It's 1 a composite number.
No, I'm gonna be different. It's a composite.
I think it's a composite. All right. Put it inside the chat. Put it inside the chat. What do you think? Is it a prime number? Is it a composite number? Put it inside the chat.
Mr.
What
Lily, can we put none?
Is 1 a prime number or a composite number? Put what you think it is. Whatever you think it is, put.
Is none an option?
I don't know, but just put whatever you think it is.
Come on, man. Mr. Petit, come on.
I don't know.
Mr.
Seth,
Petit,
turn the
when I
camera.
was learning this, Mr. Petit, when I was learning this, it said that a prime number is a number that has two or less, a number that has two or less factors.
Two or less factors. Okay. That's what your definition. That's what your definition. Pretty sure.
So
All right.
put
Put your
none of
answers
the
inside.
above.
Put your answers inside the chat for me, please. Let me see. Put your answers inside the chat. Is it prime or is it composite? Is it prime or is it composite?
So
Is
she
it
ready to
prime
do this. I don't
or
like
is
this.
it
Come on.
composite? Is it prime or is
So
it?
that's one for, so far it's one for composite, two for prime, and three for none of the above.
Let's go. Assistant Mayor, you're always right. I haven't did this for so long. Daniela said none. Kaden said you're the best. Kaden, you can't be spelling assistant wrong. Assistant.
The teeth I was rushing.
ASSISTANT. ANT. All right. Drum roll, please.
Mr. Petit,
Yes, go ahead.
I know the reason.
Say it again.
I know the reason why it's none.
Why is it answer yet?
Okay.
Why is it answer yet? Drum
Let's
roll.
go assistant mayor for the road.
Drum roll, please. All right, good. All right, one is actually, let me put it on the screen. One is actually, I'm gonna put it on the screen. One is actually,
But I tell y'all, you know.
one
A
is
prime number. I was right.
Assistant mayor couldn't
It is a
save
prime
y'all.
numall.
one is
Mr.
actually,
Petit,
one is
It's not a
actually,
prime number.
Mr. Petit's not a prime number. My teacher tell me one is not a prime number.
y'all didn't let me finish right. It's none.
Money.
It's none.
Yes!
It's none.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
It's none. It's
Let's
none. It's none. It's neither.
Right, it's actually not prime.
No,
Yes,
it's neither.
I knew it. Lucky my teacher told me this.
Mayor and assistant mayor is always right.
Mayor and assistant mayor is always right. That's right. Does the mayor or assistant mayor
I'm
of
not copying
Townsville
anybody.
want to say anything? Does the mayor or assistant mayor of Townsville, do you want to say anything to your fellow?
Wait, this is called Townsville? Townsville?
Yeah,
What?
Townsville. All right. The reason why is because one is neither prime nor composite. Okay, we just defined it as that. So a prime number is a number that is greater than one. Whole number that's greater than one, that has exactly two factors. So it has to be greater than one, right? We don't include prime, we don't include one as either prime or composite. So it's none, okay? Okay, so let's begin, let's continue. So what do we mean by prime factorization? Prime factorization. So
That's not the same thing.
no, prime number and prime factorization is different, okay? So let's go ahead. So prime factorization, however, is a way of expressing, prime factorization is going to be a way of expressing the number as a product of its prime numbers. That's what we mean by prime factorization. So it's a way of expressing a number as a product of its prime factors, okay? That's what we mean. So prime factorization is a way of expressing a number as a product, so that means you have multiplication, as a product of its prime factors. Go ahead and write this down for me as well. Okay, so prime factorization is a way of expressing a number as a product, multiplication, of its prime factors. Now, sometimes they may want you to write it in index form, okay? And if they have it in index form just basically mean when you use like the powers, right? So 2 to the power of, 3 to the power of, stuff like that.
You say, Miss Petit, like exponent?
Yeah, like exponents. right? Like exponents.
Yes,
So
sir.
then you have the index form.
I can't see the screen.
Open your eyes.
Seriously, Mr. Petit?
All right, the index form of a number is that number written as an exponential expression or a single number raised to the power, raised to another number. So for example, if I say, all right, everyone, all right, everyone, all right, everyone, the queen has arrived. Hello, Your Majesty. How are you doing today?
I'm good.
All right. If anything to say to your fellow townsfolk.
Hello, everyone.
I'm the mayor.
Are you still going with this name?
I have a question.
Yes.
Wait, the queen is speaking. The queen is speaking. Go ahead.
Najara can say a question.
Najara, Your Highness has given you permission to speak.
Well, listen here. When I was queen, I did not get this type of queen. So I would like to say this is not fair.
Well, I
It's
think
true,
the AI
it's
has.
true.
I think the AI has upgraded. So
Yes, new rules. Thank you, Your Highness.
we still have the same background.
Yes, we still have the same background. Under
Najara is a princess now.
Yeah, no, Najara is a part of the fellow townsfolk.
Wow. Wow.
That's not fair.
Najara, you need to turn on your camera. The queen needs to see you.
Oh, I didn't realize it turned on. That was an accident.
Yes, the queen needs to see you.
This is not fair.
All right, go ahead. Adaya, read the definition of a prime number.
A prime number is a number that has exactly two factors. One of the number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on are prime numbers.
Thank you. Joel, read the definition of prime factorization. Let me see prime factorization. What is that?
Prime factorization is a way of expressing a number as a product of its prime factors.
Very good. And Seth, read what we have for index form. What is index form?
The index form of a number is that number written as an exponential expression or a single number raised to another number.
Very good. So when we say index form, what I mean is, let's say, for example, I have 2 times, let's say I have 2 to the third power times 5 to the second power. This is what we mean when we say index form. This is index form right now. So this is index form. Index form is when you have a number raised to the power of another number. So this is index form. Index form.
We do this a lot whenever we're doing timed ask questions.
Yes. So index form is, let's say we have 2 to the third power times 5 squared. Index form is basically means that you write it compactly. So there are 3 2s and there are 2 5s, right? So index form is when you write that expression compactly, or you write that
Gives you more
product.
space.
Yeah, exactly. You write it more compactly. That's what we mean by index form. Okay. So that's what we have right there. All right, are we done with writing this? Let me know if you finished writing this down so that we can.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
For those who are finished with it, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. For those who are still writing, continue writing. Adaya, are you finished with this?
No, sir. Can you send it in the chat?
Yes, I can. I don't see Skylar. Oh, good, because I don't see Skylar now. Alrighty. Trinity, you done writing?
Yes, sir.
All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me. See what's up. I see Madeline's on. I see Genesis, not Genesis, Legacy work. The rest of you all, the rest of you all, no.
Timothy, I'm about to send him my work.
Okay, good.
So who is Genesis?
No, I missing said Genesis.
Genesis is my sister.
Yeah. And then we have
Wait, Mr. P, Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth.
exactly.
She's named after the first book in the Bible.
Can you
That's
mute
right.
him, please?
That's right. That's right.
Not nice.
I'm gonna leave that to the discretion of Madam Mayor and Assistant Mayor if they want me to mute them.
What about the Queen?
The Queen deals with higher duties.
Yeah.
They have nothing to say.
Madam Mayor
What
or
about the
Assistant Mayor?
presidents?
For all of our sakes, I would say yes.
Wow.
Hey, imagine you're the assistant mayor.
Wow.
The real.
I wonder what could happen when Katie ever gets in power.
What about the presidents?
Presidents, long time ago. Long time ago. That was a
The
long
boys will be
time.
the presidents for me Wednesday.
So Wednesday, y'all have a chance to change the tide.
Y'all
Yeah,
wish. Y'all get in heaven
Wait,
with
wait,
God's
wait.
will.
We might
Y'all wish.
I thought.
Wait, the Queen is speaking. Okay.
Y'all wish.
All right.
Hold on. So, what if I get half of the vocabulary words right? What do I get?
We'll see.
What do you
My
mean?
question
We'll
is,
see.
I thought
We'll
the Queen and the whoever's in power stayed in power for the rest of the week.
Yeah, for the rest of the week. She already had. It's from Wednesday to Wednesday. That's a week.
Listen, see, she was the Queen from Thursday.
All right.
Yeah, Wednesday to Wednesday. Oh yeah, she made it on Thursday. That's fine. We could change the guard on Wednesday. Wednesday to Wednesday. All right, so let's go ahead with our first example. Okay, we already did this. Example number 1. Yes.
Can you put it inside the chat, please?
Yes, Your Highness.
I just read.
Oh, this is fun.
I did not get this treatment though. I was supposed to be the mayor, but
They said to be to mute you.
Oh well,
Let's play the game.
now.
To see how long Kaden can be
Oh,
quiet.
to see how long you be quiet.
I didn't talk at all yet.
Won't last long.
I didn't talk at all yet.
Starting now.
When he don't talk, you always have a problem. When he do talk, you always have a problem, man.
See, he was done out. He would have been done out.
All right, next. Let's go ahead with example number 1. Kaden, we love you with all our hearts, okay?
That's a lie.
Say that's a lie. All right, let's go with example number 1. The prime factorization of a certain number is 2 times 2. Write this down, yes. Write this down. Write this down for me. The prime factorization of a certain number is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. All right. The first question says, express this in index form. That's pretty easy, if I might say so.
Very.
I had a question like this. It was just at my Glat book. We had that homework.
Oh, really?
And I was the only one who got it right.
Okay.
They didn't understand it.
They didn't understand it, okay. So the prime factorization of a certain number is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Express this in index form. Okay. Trinity, go ahead and read this question for me, please. Trinity.
The prime factorization of a certain number is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Express this in index form.
Very good. Express this in index form.
But it was only the same number. I didn't know what the other number was.
You didn't do the other ones, okay. express this in index form?
I think I know
No,
it.
to make Wednesday more fun, whoever wins or whatever, can they be able to choose who reads?
Choose who reads? What do you
Choose
mean?
who reads.
Oh, you
They
mean
get to pick who gets to read first and stuff. Whoever wins on Wednesday.
oh, you mean the king, the president, or the queen?
Maybe choose the multiplication.
Choose the multiplication. What do you mean? Or who gets to read the
Those are we put in the
multiplication?
chat.
I don't understand. Choose who gets the
Well,
what?
if you're the
Because
queen,
never
or
agree.
They get to choose what?
like how you
Who
say
reads
15 times
first?
15.
Oh,
You see, like how you
I
tell
got
us to
you.
write in the chat to see who reads first. The
Yes,
person
okay.
gets to choose.
Ah, that makes sense.
Or they could choose who reads.
Or they could choose who reads. That's a good one. That's a good queen privilege or king privilege. Whoever win.
You said it because you already know, queen.
It's gonna be a fair steal tomorrow. I hope y'all come ready.
I come ready. I must see I'm coming ready.
All right. How do we
I was
express
born
this
ready.
in next form? Adaya, read this question for me, please.
The prime factorization of a certain number is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5.
A.
A. Express this in index form.
Very good. How are we gonna express 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 in index form?
I know.
Put it in.
I
Break
know.
it out.
I
Check
know.
it out. What is it gonna be?
You're gonna have to put it as a
Wait,
X.
You put it square.
Go ahead,
can
Trinity.
I say?
So basically, first what you do is you have to make it into a
Exponent.
yeah exponent.
Exponent. How are we gonna do that?
So basically, you put it's two twos. So you're gonna put 2 squared 2,
Okay.
and then 3. It's 3 2s. So you're gonna put 3 squared 3 times 5.
Okay, interesting. Legacy, what you think? How are we gonna express this as a in index form?
Because there's 2 2s, 2 3s, and 1 5, we're going to say 2 to the power of 2. So it'd be 2 times 2. Then we'd say 3 to the power of 2. That'd be 3 times 3. And then we just say times 5, or if you want to be extra, 5 to the power of 0. But because 5 doesn't have another number that's exactly like it, then you cannot write it as an exponent.
Very good. Legacy.
I must say 3 instead of 2.
You missing stage 3. That's fine. So they're right. There are. Oh, the only thing, if you want to be extra, you will put the power of 1. You wouldn't put the power of 0. Okay. So there are how many 2s? 2 2s, right? So since there are 2 2s,
2
right?
squared.
Yeah, since there are 2 2s, it's gonna be what? 2 what? 2 squared, right?
2 squared.
Similarly, there are 3 2s. So it's gonna be what? 3 what?
Squared.
3 squared. And then there's 1 5. So it's gonna be what? Just
5.
Just 5. Just 5.
Only 5.
So it's
The
2
power of
squared,
1.
right? 2 squared, 3 squared,
Squared.
and
And only 5.
just to the 5, right? All right, that makes sense to y'all? And then next one.
Yes,
So you
sir.
can have an answer.
5 ain't lonely. 5 don't gotta tell nothing on its back.
Yeah, 5 is just all lonely. Adaya, do you understand how we got this?
Does
in,
it have to carry nothing?
Lonely but lucky.
Adaya, do you understand this? How we got 2 squared, 3 squared, and 5? You understand how we got the answer for this? Adaya? Can't have from Adaya. Seth, do you understand how we got this answer?
Kinda.
Kinda. How did we get 2 squared?
Adai says yes, sir.
Say it again.
2 times 2.
Because 2 times 2, very good. How do we get 3 squared?
3 times 3.
Very good. And why do we just put 5 here?
There's only 1 5.
Very good, because there's only 1 5. And Madam Mayor, are you there?
Yes, sir.
How did you understand how we got 2 squared, 3 squared, and 5?
Yes, sir.
How did we get that?
We got it from 2 times 2, then 3 times 3, and then 5.
Excellent. Very good, Daniela. Very good.
You called her the wrong name.
I mean, Madam Mayor. Sorry. Very good.
Mr. Petit, Daya said yes in the chat.
Okay, thank you, Adayo. All right. Next, the next question is, y'all finish write this down? Let me know if y'all finish write this down, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is the hardest question of them all. What number does this represent? What number does this represent? This is the hardest question of them all. What number does this represent?
I think I know what to do.
Tell me, Lincoln.
Is it?
Let Lincoln
We
go.
have to.
The former president.
So, right? I think we have to do this equation now.
Uh-huh.
I think we have to do the equation 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. We have to do that.
You have to actually multiply.
Yes, sir.
I agree.
Is it
Legacy?
one? I got an answer.
Go ahead.
Is it 180?
180. Okay. Anyone else got their answer?
I did that the first time because I thought that's what you did it.
Okay.
But I did.
Oh, okay. Anyone else got their answer? No. Kaden, are you writing this down? Yes, Kaden. Kaden, are you writing this down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So let's go ahead and write this, right? Seth, do you understand how we get what does this number represent? Let's go ahead and do it.
Mr. Petit,
Uh-huh.
I got the answer.
What you got?
180.
180? Okay. Assistant Mayor, what you got for your answer?
I also got 180.
How did you get 180?
Pardon?
How did you get 180?
I multiplied them all together.
Just multiply them all together. So let's go ahead and multiply them. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna multiply. I'm gonna do them I'm gonna do them 2 by 2. So I'm gonna say
That's how I did it.
2 times 2, which gives us what?
That's how I did it too.
Seth, what is 2 times 2?
4.
That gives us 4. Very good. And what is 3 times 3? That gives us what?
9.
That gives us 9. We bring down the
5.
down to 5. Very good. Then we say 4 times 9. What is 4 times 9?
36.
36. Very good. Then we say 36 times 5. Let's go ahead and multiply that. So on this side, let's go and multiply it. So we have 36 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 5. Okay. 5 times 6 is what? 30. Put the 0 down. Put the 3 up. 3 up.
33.
5 times 3 is what?
15.
Plus 3.
18.
18. So it's going to be 180. Seth, do you understand this? That's Seth.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Explain how I got it, Seth.
You did 2 times 2, which is 4. Then there's 3 times 3, which is 9. Then carry down to 5. Then you did 4 times 9, which is 36. And then you did 36 times 5. And then you got 180.
Very good. That gives us 180. Excellent. All right. Good stuff. All right. Are we done with this? If you are done with it, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp again. If you're finished with this, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Oh, yeah, and if you finish with this, take a picture of your work and send it to me.
Why
via
is
WhatsApp.
Kaden bullying the queen?
What is he doing?
I put a queen next to her answer. And then now he's putting my face and thumbs down and
Kaden, remove it, please. Otherwise, you'll be facing severe penalties. Remove them. Thank you.
He will be released into the wild.
He'll be released into the abyss.
He will be put in the royal dungeon.
Lincoln, you literally tried to sabotage her too.
Um,
How?
And Miss Lee
Kaden,
sometimes.
Kaden, remember you're on mute. According to
Mrs. Lee.
the request of the assistant mayor, unless
It's actually according to the law.
unless the mayor wants to release you, you could ask the mayor. So
Mr.
I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but this is a really mean law.
The mayor, please release me.
Mr. Matei,
Go ahead.
sometimes you would have to do a lot, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 3 is 36, and all you have to do is 36 times 5.
Yes, I
You do
agree.
that, your hands are fine.
You can. Very good, Najara. All right. All right. Are we done with this? Are we done with this?
Yes, sir. I sent it to you already.
Okay. All right. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I sent my work to you already.
All right. So, okay, I'm gonna give you all one to do by yourself, and then we can move on from this. So let's go ahead and do this. So we have this one is you do by yourself. So it's gonna be grade exercise number 1. Even though I have example number 2. Write it in your book. Write it in your book. Write it in your book. Write it in your book.
I was just asking if you're putting your answer in the chat.
Put your answer inside your book, and then once you finish, you can put it in the chat. All right.
Yes, sir.
So the first question says write this in index form, and the second question says what does this number represent? What does this number represent? Okay, what does this number represent? What does this number represent? I need you all to do this, please. The first question says, write it in index form. Okay, write it in index form. Right. And then the second one says, hey, okay, what does this number represent?
Mr. Petit, I times all of them, but I have to write an index one now. I send my answer in the chat.
Put your answer inside of your book, write your answer inside of your book, then take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. That's what I said.
Yes, sir.
All right, what number you on? Or what letter you on? Trinity?
I'm finished.
You finish? Okay. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp, Trinity, if you finish. All right, class, are y'all done? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir.
Again, if you're finished, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I wasn't finished yet.
Isn't finished? Okay, you put it back up. I can't. Okay, there we go. Again, once you finish with it, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. And is there anyone who's finished? Let me know, please.
Yes, I'm finished.
You already sent in your work?
I'm done.
I'm finished.
My brother's on the phone, so I can't.
Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp, please. All right, let me put this example number 2 out. All right,
Mr. Petit.
you sent it already?
I'm finished.
That's good. For those of you who are not finished, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need y'all to do that. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. For those of you who are completed.
7, 8, 7.
Say it again.
8, 9.
Say it again. Say it again.
I just realized that my mic was unmuted.
Okay. All right, class, have y'all put your answers inside the chat?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go ahead and do it. All right, so let's go ahead and answer this. Wyatt. Where's Wyatt? Wyatt, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So I want to write this thing in index form. What should I do?
2 times 2 is 2 square. And 3 times 3 is 3 square. And 11 is just 11.
So it's going to be 2 squared times 3 squared times 11.
Yes, sir.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes, sir.
Good. So we have 2 squared times 3 squared times 11. Okay. Class, did any of you all get that? 2 squared times 3 squared times 11. Did anyone
Yes,
of you?
sir.
I did.
Did any of you got that?
Yes, sir, I did.
You got
Yes,
that?
sir.
That's good. That's excellent. If you got it, please put a tick. For what does this number represent? Class, what y'all got for that one?
396.
396.
396. 396.
396.
Seth, what you got?
396.
396, okay. So let's go over it. It's gonna be, let me go ahead and do this. It's gonna be moving right along. So we do it like that. I got 396 when I multiplied it. Did y'all get that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, excellent,
Yes, sir.
excellent. All right, so quickly, it's 5:19, so we have time. What I want to do now
For the
is
first time in forever.
see for the first time. Yeah, we finished this pretty quite fast. Y'all understand this very quickly.
Can't wait to. Mr. Petit, I have a fun thing we could do.
No, I have something for us to do. I have something for us to do. We have to go over these questions.
Yes, sir.
We have to finish from where we started off yesterday. We didn't finish that. Picto rock and such.
Some see like the right angle triangle.
No, no, no. Y'all failed that miserably.
Excuse me, sweetie.
You
Do you
doubt.
mean like the point and the line segment?
Yes, we have to finish that. All right, so just like yesterday, so let's continue with that.
Madeline, why your hand yellow?
Say it again.
I asking Madeline why her hand yellow.
It's yellow. Why is it that?
I need to ask a question.
Oh, okay, go ahead. Go ahead, Madam Mayor.
May I use the bathroom, please?
Yes, sure.
Thank
You
you.
may use the royal flush it.
And
All
it's
right.
assistant male, not male.
Oh yeah, assistant mayor. Oh, great, Lincoln. Come on.
Hey mayor. Hey mayor.
Lincoln, you just
He's just so jealous.
Lincoln is so, my goodness. All right.
Lincoln, be happy for your fellow classmate that's higher than you.
Amen. All right, so class, what do we have for this one?
Oh, this from yesterday. Yeah, I remember.
Yes.
That's a line.
Okay, we could go in order.
That's
So,
I know what it is.
Opposite of parallel.
we could start with Trinity then. Go ahead, Trinity. What do you think this is?
A parallel line.
Nope.
It's not.
Seth, you need to notice. What is this? What is this, Seth? Type of line is this?
Intersecting line.
Very good. Intersecting line. Let's go, Seth. Intersecting line. Very good. Intersecting line.
Perpendicular line.
This is intersecting.
Yay.
This is intersecting.
Yeah, boy.
Yes,
How
I
do we
remember
know?
this
How do we
because
know
my teacher told me it always crosses each other.
Yes, intersecting line, right? Intersecting lines, right? Because they cross each other at one point. Okay. Write this down for me, please. Again, class, what type of line is this? Yes, draw it, just like how I have it. What type of lines are these?
Intersecting lines.
Intersecting lines, very good. Intersecting line. Number 2, we have
Joel.
yeah, let's go Joel and Gianna. So who got this one? Seth got this?
Seth.
Seth, okay, let's go with a girl this time. Trinity, your turn. Time for you to
But
redeem
Trinity
it.
won last time, right?
No, Trinity, she messed up. So giving her another chance to redeem herself. So we have this sort of thing going on here. Boom. And boom. What is that?
A parallel line.
Yes, thank you. Parallel lines. Very good, Trinity. Very good, Trinity.
Do we have to write that one because we wrote that one yesterday?
Yes, write it again. Write it again.
Yes, sir.
Is this former queen trying to duck work?
Yes, sir. She should be queen no more.
Kaden, you are under royal.
Not you, Kaden.
I'm queen though.
Yes, Kaden, you are under royal.
Season Maya.
What should you?
In Zero Dungeon, you go.
Yes, Kaden, you should be under.
Daniela, can you please let me out? They're crazy. I went
Well,
to.
actually, you should fight the dragon, I think.
The mayor has to decide. The mayor has to decide. She's highest.
Daniela, what do you think? You think we should let him out of his?
Am I getting involved with this?
Say it again.
Why am I
You're the mayor.
You're the mayor. You're the mayor. You have to decide. Should he be released or he need more time?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, we can defer to the queen then.
I can help her. I'm her
You're not.
I'm her assistant that gets her.
The queen legacy.
We gotta defer it.
I'm her assistant queen.
We gotta defer it to the queen. What do you think, Maya?
I get
Your Highness? Your
I
Highness?
think we should.
Ask the former queen.
No. Former queen has no say.
Wow.
Who said that you're
Former
gonna
queen
be former?
isn't
You have to ask
Najara,
the
I have
queen
a
if I
question.
have a
Who
say.
said you're gonna
Former
be former?
queen has no say. Go ahead, Maya.
former
Who
queen isn't
said
a
she's
queen.
gonna be former queen though?
She's former queen. Former queen
She
is like
is
she
former
is
queen because
former.
she was the queen
Last
before you.
time.
Like, if
Former.
Maya falls,
Yeah.
Najara comes back up.
Go ahead, Madam Highness. Go ahead. What do you say you? Should he be released from his time of silence or he should stay there?
No, he should not.
Wow.
He should not.
That's
Kate,
cool.
Kaden,
Peace and quiet.
Kaden, your fate is sealed.
Yeah,
That's
y'all will
crazy.
not be seeing me next week.
All right. Kaden says his fate is sealed. Okay.
Wow.
I laugh if tomorrow Kaden becomes the president. Wow. All y'all in trouble.
Then he will not be hurting me because I was nice to him.
So we have president, we have queen, we have mayor and assistant mayor.
Yes.
No princess.
Oh,
No princess.
Najara,
And then,
Najara, if I become president, you will
but
probably become
Najara
mayor.
is a former
I did not
queen,
say
so
anything
yes.
to you. That was the
Najara, I
I'm
said
the
you will become the
president.
mayor. I said you will become the mayor if I become the mayor.
Cacophony.
All right. Number 3. This goes to Wyatt. What is number 3? Wyatt? What is number 3? So number 1 is intersecting lines. Number 2 is parallel lines. What is number 3? You need help? You need help, Wyatt?
Yes, sir.
Pick someone to help you. Just call their name.
Like, I pick a Lincoln.
All right, Lincoln. Lincoln, do not disappoint him. Do not disappoint him. What are these?
Is it perpendicular lines?
Yes, perpendicular lines. Let's go. Lincoln did not disappoint. Very
Yo,
good.
President's chair. Hello.
You can't have a president's chair.
What?
No, that's former.
What should I do then?
That's former.
Lincoln,
gotta- you-
Lincoln, you will become
Live
the
in your
president.
servantly squalor.
You gotta earn that tomorrow.
Yeah, wait. We
Miss
gotta open it.
Help me tomorrow, please. Help me tomorrow. Any help, guys?
I laugh if Wyatt become president.
Excuse me, Mr. Betsy.
Hey, why if you become president, make me mayor?
Go ahead.
I'm be a sus.
I used to be confused with perpendicular, but then I realized it always has 90 degrees angle on it.
Very good.
'Cause I'd have first confused it with intersecting. and it
That's
was
a very good point. So if you look at this is perpendicular lines. If you look carefully, remember that box I was telling you all about from yesterday? Was that yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. Remember the box? The oopsies.
the angle.
The angle, 90 degrees, right? This
My eyes
box,
cannot unsee what it has on.
this box is 90 degrees.
Oh,
Okay?
in the right angle triangle?
Yes. The same what this means 90 degrees. So perpendicular lines is gonna have the 90 degree here. Okay. All right, class. What is this? What are these type of lines? What do you call them?
Intersecting lines.
Intersecting lines. Very good. Number 2, what are these type of lines?
Parallel lines.
Very good.
Parallel lines.
Seth, this one is for you. What is number 3?
Perpendicular line.
Very good. Perpendicular lines. Excellent. Let's move on from there. Let's go on to number 4. Number 4, we have
Legacy.
yeah, legacy.
Thank you.
And then Madeline.
True or false? Kaden, you're on silence. You're breaking the rules.
Hey, what they can do? Just dungeon
Or
me?
you will be thrown in the ditch.
Breaking the
Okay,
rules.
I don't care.
You will be executed soon.
No,
don't
you're not
care.
gonna execute him. You're not gonna execute.
I don't care, Mr. Butch.
Off with
That's
his
very
head.
deep.
Kaden, you have to follow the rules.
I gotta get killed.
I know, right?
I'm
Kaden, you
not
have,
scared.
Off with his head.
No, not
Y'all
all.
woke up this morning and chose violence, man.
All right, true or false?
What can I say? It's
True or false? This is for legacy. The common endpoint. Common endpoint in an angle is called the vertex. True or false, legacy? The common vertex, the common
I
endpoint
didn't ask for this. I
and
asked for a picture.
the common endpoint in an angle is called the vertex. Is that true or is that false? Let me give you a picture.
Please.
Okay. So here we have this ray and this ray. What do we call this common endpoint? What do we call that? What is that called? Is that called a vertex or is that called something else?
Is that the intersecting line?
So is this true or false? The common endpoint in an angle is called what? If you need help, just ask someone to help you.
Who should I ask to help me?
Former mayor.
Me.
Kaden.
You are in
Supposed to be
silence, mister. Now,
I would literally just choose Caden despite
Wow.
who didn't like him.
Disrespect is
I would
crazy.
literally do that.
Go ahead. Let's go quickly.
I choose.
It's a girl.
Be quiet, Lincoln. Caden.
Really? Wow.
Only because they was being mean to him earlier.
All right, go ahead.
That's crazy.
Wow. Go ahead, Kaden.
So I
And your
believe,
face, Lincoln.
Mr. T, I don't think it's called vertex. I think it's false.
Think it's false?
Yes, sir.
All right.
You better not be a lousy helper.
Yeah, it's absolutely, you got it wrong. It's not false.
It's true.
It's actually true.
It's true.
Wow.
That's
It's
crazy.
true.
Well,
I will
We
never
do
ask you
believe
to
it
help
when
me
we get
again.
I
older.
told you to
Never
call
again.
up. Shut up, picture girl.
It's true.
Honestly.
You go to the dark side. Don't go to
I
the dark side.
felt bad for
can't
him.
believe
Was
it.
it? I
No.
felt bad for him.
No,
I
no
didn't even
sympathy.
answer a single question from yesterday or today, and she decided not to pick me.
That's
Jara,
Oh,
Jara,
no.
you know
Really
everything.
mad at Jack. All y'all was being mean
That
to
sounds
him
like
today.
a friend problem.
All y'all was being
Who
mean
called
to him
my
today.
name?
Lincoln, I thought you were on my side. Come on.
All right. Number 5.
Yeah,
So the
that's true.
common point,
Lincoln's a
where is
Just
Seth?
know if I
Where's
if
Seth?
I become president again, I will.
Where's Seth?
Yes, sir.
This is a ray. This is a ray, right? The common point is called a what? We just said it's a vertex. Okay. Understand that?
Yes, sir.
So read the question for me.
True or false? The common endpoint in the angle is called a vertex.
What is that? Is that true? Excuse me. Is that true or false?
True.
That's what?
True.
That's true. Very good. So another one.
Next time I ask Aiden for help, if I ask Aiden for help, which I'm not gonna ask Aiden for help, I'm gonna literally choose the opposite of what he tells me to choose.
All right, number 5 is it goes to it has to go to a boy.
I already answered the question.
Go ahead, Seth.
Yes, the kid who got my question wrong.
Seth, go ahead.
Me?
Perpendicular lines never intersect. Perpendicular. This is not a true or false question. By the way, write this down for me, please. True or false? Perpendicular lines never intersect. Is that true or is that false?
Let me see.
You could ask some help from your fellow classmates.
Perpendicular lines never intersect. That is. I would say that is.
5. Say it again.
False.
Why you say false?
I don't know.
Where's the perpendicular lines? You see these perpendicular lines?
I mean, yes, sir.
Do they intersect?
Yes, sir.
Good. So back to the question. Perpendicular
True.
lines never intersect.
True.
No. Let me say it again. True or false? Perpendicular lines never intersect. Are these perpendicular?
Yes, sir.
Do they intersect?
Yes, sir.
Good. So do perpendicular lines intersect?
Yes, sir.
Good. So when they say perpendicular lines never intersect, is that true or false?
False.
False. Why? Why is that false?
Because perpendicular line intersect.
They do. Just like how this one intersect. So the answer is going to be what?
False.
False.
Too bad.
It's very good. False.
Good job.
Excellent.
Yay, a boy.
Next question, number 6. Your Highness, would you like me to ask you a question or you want me to pass it on to someone else?
I can try a question.
You could try a question, no problem.
Is it the same true or false?
Same true or false? True or false? True or false? A ray extends forever in 2 directions. True or false? A ray extends forever
False.
in 2 directions. Is that what? True or false?
False.
False. I agree. It's gonna be false.
I didn't get the question.
It's gonna be false. So the answer is false. All right. Now the reason why it's false is because if you all look carefully,
A ray only goes one way.
a ray only goes in one direction. So a ray starts from here and goes all the way up. Only goes in one direction. All right. That makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And next up, number 6. Number 7 rather. Najara, you wanna go?
Guess we'll try.
Okay.
What?
So,
I thought it was a boy.
Audie already answered. She didn't answer yet. So intersecting lines are lines that cross at some point. Is this true or is this false? Intersecting lines are lines that cross at some point.
True.
That's true. Very good. That is true. That is true. Because intersecting lines is going to intersect at some point. So I could draw a bunch of intersecting lines. So I could draw an intersecting line like this. I could do an intersecting line like this. I could do an intersecting line like this. All these are still intersecting lines because they intersect at some point. Okay, all these are intersecting lines. They
So
intersect.
intersecting lines and perpendicular lines are pretty much the same.
Yeah,
They both intersect.
they both intersect. Only difference is perpendicular lines, they must intersect at a 90 degree. Intersecting lines don't have to intersect at a 90 degree.
I didn't hear what you said because you cut up for me just now.
The only difference is that perpendicular lines, they must intersect at 90 degrees. But
So it's like
intersecting lines don't have to intersect at 90 degree. All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I sent it to you.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. My mom is gone. She went to go drop something off real quick.
Okay. So
and my father is traveling right now to England.
Okay, so no worries. No worries about it. So when she come
Yes,
back,
sir.
all right, when she come back.
Yes, sir.
Good. All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right. Okay, let me put this back. All right, so let me give you all the next one. Are y'all done with this? Let me know, please, if you're finished with this, so that we can move on from that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Let me move this. Adaya, where's your work? Adaya, I don't see your work.
I didn't send it yet.
You have to take a picture of your work and send it, Adaya.
I know I said I didn't like send it yet. I have to copy it and then send it.
Are you writing it yet? Have you finished writing it yet?
Yes, sir. I sent it. I still have to finish right. The one you have on the board though. I mean the screen.
Okay, let me put this in the chat for you. Well, send me what you have so far. Let me see what that is.
Yes.
Send me what you have so far. We're gonna do one more last one and then we can be good. I am ready for tomorrow, boy. Can't wait.
Me too.
Aiden is coming.
It'd be something if Kaden became
Just
a
know-
king or something.
Aiden is coming
know-
again. If I become president again, I will put I may put a girl as mayor.
You may put a girl as male.
Lincoln,
no. It ain't gonna be me
may.
because I have a
I
very,
may.
very weird dislike
I
for
may.
Lincoln.
Hold on.
I will do my best.
If I get queen, I know who I'm picking to be mayor.
Okay.
Let me guess, Maya.
Who?
She can't tell you all.
Mr. Petit.
Why not?
I have a feeling.
It's not gonna tell you all until it's time. If she becomes queen again,
Mr. Petit.
it's gonna be a close race. Go ahead.
Just
I don't even know I'm enjoying the class right.
this
Did
one.
it-
But how would I already reach 544?
I know, right? It's already
Mr.
fine.
I have a question. For the ones who's already queen and king, president, they can't be it no more, right?
They can. Yes, they can. They can.
But what if
It
they
just
always
depends.
get it? If they always get it, it mean to be fair.
you mean it ain't gonna be fair?
That y'all always get. Actually, it would be fair. It would be
I
fair.
It would be
getting it,
fair.
if I keep getting
Just
it, I'll
gonna
give
get
it to
better.
somebody else.
Somebody
Just
else
gotta.
will have a chance.
No, everyone have
Huh.
everyone have an equal opportunity.
If I
That's like how
become
Donald
president,
Trump
if
ran
I
for
keep becoming,
presidency twice.
if I
Exactly.
keep becoming president, I might give it to either Wyatt or Joel. One of them.
Really? Wow. Okay, that's kind of.
Lincoln, what about me?
Well,
He don't like you no more. He ditched you.
I think he just shoot through you, Kaden. It's cold.
You just gonna have to come in the girls group, Kaden.
Lincoln, I have
I
the
kind of
boys
agree
win
with
the other
Lincoln
day.
on this.
Lincoln, I have the boys.
Girls don't
but
stab each other in the back, unlike boys.
Wow.
Right.
Kind of agree with
Wow.
Lincoln.
Like I said, I know who I'm picking if I get it, you know.
Lincoln, I
Like,
thought
y'all
we
are
were
nice.
cool.
I love
I'm
you.
on the
Mr.
girls' side
Petit,
now.
I'm just
Yes.
You're
listening.
nice.
And I just
Ah.
realizing Kaden is talking.
Welcome to
Oh,
the club, Kaden.
Mr. Petit,
Kaden.
I'm on the girls' side. I'm on the girls' side, so yeah.
Kaden. You have to mute your mic. All right.
Poor Kaden. Just text me what you want to say.
He said he's on the girl's side.
He said he's on the. Yeah, what she said.
Oh, you have to stay on the
He
boys'
said
side.
boys side. Oh my God.
They backstabbed me.
Why
You
would
didn't ask-
Lincoln
you didn't
tell
have
him
to ask, Lincoln. You didn't have to
All right.
ask.
All right.
He asked him.
Let's do the last
Oui.
one. Okay. Okay, this one I want y'all to do. Okay, good. Okay. I want y'all to do this in your books, please. It's gonna be the final one before we wrap things up. Can y'all see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do we call this?
Like that?
Yes, show it for me. What do we call this? What type of graph is this?
it looks pretty small.
I'm gonna open it right now. Good. What sort of graph is this?
Pictogram.
Pictograph. Very good.
Oh.
Pictograph. I want you to draw this and I want us to answer together. Go ahead, Madeline. Read the question.
Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
Do we have to write those instructions as well?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yes, sir.
You have to be quick because it's about time to leave. So quickly write that. Go ahead, Madeline, read the instructions for us using the symbol.
Using the symbol square to represent 4 books, complete the pictograph below. The pictograph shows the number of books read by grade 5P. Pupil's name, number of books read, picture. Gabriel. 12. Joshua. 4. Diane. 0. Picture. 5 squares.
Okay.
Larry. 6. Key. Square equal 4 books.
Good. Very good. So they want you to complete the diagram, basically. Go ahead and complete that.
Mr. Petit, you want us to draw this?
Yes, draw it.
Oh, wow. I can draw this.
Yes, you can. Do your best. Lincoln, how your drawing is going?
I'm still writing the instructions.
Okay. Najara, how is the drawing going?
I have no idea how
You have
I'm
no
gonna do
idea.
this.
You have no idea. Kaden, how your stuff look?
It looks alright, but not alright, but alright.
Okay. Madam Mayor, how does your stuff
It
look?
looks good because my robot is
No,
helping.
that's Madam Mayor's
Oh,
Daniela. If I say Your Highness, then I mean you. Madam,
See, I have a question. You didn't call Madeline assistant mayor, but you called Daniela assistant mayor. How does that work?
no, I didn't call her Assistant Mayor. I said Madam Mayor.
No, for Madeline, when you told her to read, you never called her assistant mayor.
That is correct. Assistant Mayor, my apology. Rashid. Madam Mayor, how's your drawing?
It's
It's
coming
looking
along.
pretty fantastic.
Okay, and go ahead, Daniela,
Wait a
Madam
second.
Mayor.
Wait. Oh, I just realized I got it wrong.
That's fine. That's fine. Daniela,
Yes, sir.
how's your drawing?
It's coming along.
It's coming along. That's good. Joel and Gianna, how's your drawing?
I don't want to talk about it.
Why?
I wouldn't say it's the best.
You wouldn't say it's Wyatt.
My.
Where's Wyatt?
Yes, sir.
How's your drawing coming along?
I mean, I can't say it look good.
You can't say it. So what does it look like? What does it look? Oh gosh.
It looks just like how we asked, I bet.
This is Bettina. I'm
like-
finished with my drawing.
Yes. How's your drawing going?
Well, it's like a drawing.
It's like a drawing.
I finished my drawing.
You finished your drawing? Let me see it. Did you finish the question?
No, sir. I'm gonna start the question, but so my drawing. It looks like it's good, but
Finish the question.
I'm gonna finish the question.
Seth and Legacy, how's your drawing?
It's good.
It's going good. Okay.
It's
Okay, it's going good.
yes.
Okay.
My drawing is going splendid.
Very good. Legacy. All right, let's go ahead and answer these. See how it goes.
Now that Caden is on the girl side, the boys have no chance of winning tomorrow.
Definitely.
Yeah, I want the girls on this one. They're definitely winning.
Definitely.
He's on. He's by. He's.
You know what? I would show up sick and I still would win.
He's.
I
He can't. He can't change gender.
Caden can type fast.
He
He's
can't.
not changing gender. He's just changing sides.
He can't change gender.
I'm
All right.
changing sides. They box up me.
All right, Gabrielle. How are we gonna do Gabrielle? Number boxes we need to do for Gabrielle. She read 12 books. Each book is 4. Each block is 4. So.
Since 4 times 3 is 12.
Seth, how many blocks we gonna have for Gabrielle?
Huh?
Say it again.
You have 3.
3. Why you said 3?
Because the key is 4 books.
So if we just put 1 box, would that be enough?
No, so
Okay, why is that?
because the key is 4 books.
Okay, what if we put another one? Would that be enough? What if we only have 2? Would that be enough?
No, sir.
Okay, why not?
Because the key is 4 books.
Okay, what if we put another one? Would that be enough?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because the key is 4 books.
4 books, and 4 times 3 is?
12.
Very good. Next one. Seth, how much we gonna put for Joshua?
1.
1, very good. Class, did y'all put 1 for Joshua? 1.
Yes, sir.
1. 1. Okay. The next one is Diane. That's what? How many? What's the amount that we're gonna put for Diane? This is 4, 8, 12. What else?
16.
That is 20.
20.
16 and 20. Very good.
Boy, Diane.
That's gonna
I'll
be
give you that.
20. Yeah, 20.
That's all you had to do.
Larry has 6 boxes. How will that work?
Okay, yeah, 6 boxes. How would 6 boxes work?
So we put one.
You would just have to put
half
one
of a box.
You just have to
A
put
half
one box.
20.
Just one
Cut
box.
the
Just
box
put one
in
box.
half.
1 box, which is gonna be 4. And what we gonna do next?
Put half of the box. Cut
half-
it in half.
Half.
Yeah.
Very good.
Okay.
So it's gonna be a
That's a half,
box. Yeah, it's a box and a half. Because if one full box is 4, so half is gonna be half of it.
So Larry read half a book and didn't finish.
He didn't finish. Yeah, that's correct. All right, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. We have made it all the way to 6 o'clock. How is that possible? So
Excited.
All right, everybody.
Excited for
Bye. I'm so
excited for
excited
tomorrow.
So glad
Excited.
Caden's on our side now.
Kaden.
Bye, everybody.
The girls will be winning. So let's just say.
No.
Yeah.
Tomorrow,
No.
I
Girls are
will
winning 'cause
become
Caden's on our
president
No.
and put Joel
if the
No,
girls
you're not.
as
No.
Nobody likes you being president, Lincoln.
Mr.
Bye, guys. Be safe.
I'll be the mayor. If the girls win, I will be the mayor. Simple.
All
Bye,
right.
guys. Be safe.
Have a good one. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
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 I
Bye,
will.
Miss T. Thank you for teaching our class. Bye,
No problem.
everybody.
Does the queen get to pick who it is?
Have a good one.
Wait, pause. Can Maya choose if what's his name? Oh wait, no, they're gone. Never mind.
Yeah, they gone. Take care.